Hi guys, after 2.5 years spent with this beauty from Aliexpress, I've decided to trust and get a new frame again. This is the Fastwork Fire, an Enduro 160 150. I've bought also another parts, mostly Willhaben or Aliexpress, as these lovely parts, everything titanium, the brakes, the chain ring, which is also really lovely. And this is how it looks together. It's been pain in the ass a little bit because of the AliExpress stuff. They always lie about something, but after some advices from my friends and a couple of hours trying something new, this is how it looks like. Feels pretty fine after the first two rides. Everything is stable, looking sexy. I really like it. What do you think?